Hi guys, today we'll be learning how to make a double crochet. So without any delay, let me start making it. So for your double crochet, we start at the end of our chain. So first we make a foundation chain. If you don't know how to make a foundation chain, I'll post a link to my tutorial. Kindly go through it. So at the end of your chain, you're left with one loop on your hook. Okay, here you will yarn over so that you have two loops on your hook, and then you will skip two stitches on your chain, and then you put your hook through the third chain here, and then you yarn over and pull the yarn through it so that you end up with 3 loops on your hook. Once you've ended up with 3 loops on your hook, you will yarn over again and pull your yarn through the first 2 loops. So again you end with 2 loops on your hook. Then you yarn over again and you pull your hook through the next 2 loops. So you end up with your first double crochet, which is supposed to look like this. Let's do that again. You yarn over, you put your hook through the next chain, you yarn over, pull your yarn through, then you yarn over and pull your yarn through 2 loops. Then again you yarn over and pull your yarn through 2 loops, so that you have your second double crochet here. So let's do it one last time. There's 1 loop on your hook, you yarn over so that you have 2 loops on your hook, put your hook through the chain, yarn over, pull the yarn through so that you have 3 loops on your hook. Now again you yarn over, pull the yarn through 2 loops, yarn over and pull the yarn through 2 loops, so that you have your last double crochet. So at the end of your stitches, you expect your double crochet to look like this. Thanks for listening, guys. So in the next class, we'll be learning how to do a half double crochet. What we have learned today is a double crochet, and next class we learn half double crochets. Thank you, guys. Bye.